guys filming? So, am I upside down or anything? Here, wait, so go underwater, Gracie. Ready? Not yet. Not yet. Okay. You want to swim? You want to just be my motor? You don't want to be my motor? Come on, I need a motor. No motor.
Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Yeah.
Where'd the other one go? Where's the last one? I'm gonna get you underwater. Okay, I'm gonna get you underwater. You get it. Did you? Don't go again. Catch your breath before you go. Wait, give yourself some time. Smile while you wait. Say hi. Say happy Labor Day. Say nat nat. Okay.
I just let myself float up.
You did?
Get myself up. Oh, there's another one. Give it a few minutes to get out.
Hey, you want to get together and take a selfie all together? Come here. Take one with Grandma. Let me wipe your nose. Come here. Want to wipe your nose?
No, because
Yeah, come here. You gotta take a picture with Grandma real quick. Hurry, come and say cheese. Yay! Are we in it? I don't know. We'll have to find out. There's Uncle Walt.